Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me eating my FUJI ORCHARD Focus gummy bears. They're not gummy bears, I'm sorry, just gummies. They're so good and so chewy. They don't get stuck in my teeth, but I'm not sure if that's just because of my teeth alignment. But I really like these gummies. They basically help you with focus, concentration, mental clarity, cognitive enhancement, focus, concentration boost. Like I just said, there's 60 gummies in the bottle. I already finished one bottle, and as you guys saw in the beginning of this video, I'm on my second bottle and I have another one to go. So far it's made my life more clear. I make more clear choices. I just have to be more aware of how I act and react. So yeah, I really like these gummies and I would definitely give them a 10 out of 10 for clearing my mind and helping my brain to basically recover from trauma and all the bad things. I really like these gummies. I definitely saw an improvement in my life. So link below. Thank you for sending them to me, FUJI ORCHARD.
No, I didn't even know what it was saying. I was like, it blended in. You put it this way or that?
We said this way.
You want to go with the boots?
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
No.
Hey guys. We are at Vickery Creek Falls. It's so pretty. Hi.
You see birds?
Big chillin'. Guys, this reminds me of Jamaica, but I'm actually just in Georgia.
We can go right here on the side. I don't know about you. Don't tell me what to do.
Oh! Wait, let me.
You can sit right here for a second. Yeah, no problem. Right here. Come on. There you go. You can go pee right there. Look, it's a little toilet. They got some chips right there. Bottle of Gatorade.
They're gonna see me. If someone comes, what are you gonna do?
Yeah.
If someone comes right there.
You pee? Well, I honestly was just kidding about that. I really hope you didn't really think I was serious.
Stop tricking me.
You see they all in the sun now?
I see.
Look at those two, bro.
Look at me. It's a fishy in the water. In the water.
That's some big one down there too.
Say in the water. Wait, now I'm not even saying it right. I gotta like deepen my voice to speak that way.
I'm trying to get in the sunlight.
In the water.
Trying to get in the sunlight. Oh, I got some. But just watch that sunlight. See them coming up?
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot of small ones.
Wait, do it again. I'm zoomed in now.
They do here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look. That's a big one. Oh my gosh.
And they all looking through there.
We should have got some fishing things.
I used to fish.
We should come fishing one day up here. You gotta teach me how to fish because I don't know how to fish.
I remember.
Well, we can practice right here.
So they'll be like, oh, damn, it's just a twig.
There's nobody around. This is like, everyone stops where the waterfall is at. And I guess you're right.
I told you, the waterfall done. This is where it's calming. You wouldn't be seeing fishes if it was continual water.
Can I go pee up there?
Really?
Let's keep going.
Or let's just go pee, because I got to pee too.
Alright, pee and come back.
Hmm?
Pee and come back.
No. So either we hold it.
There's nobody up here.
Yeah, but if somebody sees you, it'll be a problem.
This fine ass man is out here in the bushes by the river. Who mans? Who just left me by my soul? And I just heard something in the bush. I just heard something, okay? That's why I got scared. But yeah, he really just left me. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Now he's thinking about his decisions. Like, should I keep going? Ah! He don't care. Okay, anyways. Come with us and on I can't even talk. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. I gotta go back home. Well, not home, but I gotta go back to his house and do my hair. Cause we're going out to dinner and gotta do my makeup. He's playing with the fishes again. Why'd you leave me? Something could have happened back there. I'll be back. I just want to see what's up there. I feel like I'm in the Garden of Eden. Like, definitely not Eve though. was fun. That was nice. Bye, phone. I'm gonna take in the moment. I'm gonna actually take in the moment now. Even though I've been doing that. But like, I'm leaving. So I'm gonna take it in one last time. Without my phone.
Make sure y'all take with me your phone.
Why are you leaving? Oh, he's trying to get closer to get my feet.
Where'd you go? Oh, here. You got it. You looking right at me.
What? He's like, hey girl, why you recording me? Yeah, handle your foot massage. Get a grip on your feet. What are you doing with his feet? He's giving me a show. I think it's a show. That's what we're calling it, a silver feather. What the fuck? It's all green.
I love the way you shake that ass. Over there dancing like you ain't got no man. So baby, if you want this cash, let me see you do it with no hands. So dance for all these bands, 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 dance for all these bands.